The Jakarta Bandung High-Speed Rail, known locally as the Kereta Cepat Indonesia China, represents one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in Indonesia's history. Initially conceived to enhance connectivity between Indonesia's bustling capital, Jakarta, and the rapidly growing city of Bandung, this high-speed rail line marks a pivotal moment in the nation's pursuit of modern, efficient, and environmentally sustainable transportation. The project is designed to cut travel time between these two cities from over 3 hours by conventional train or road transport to just around 45 minutes, dramatically transforming daily commutes, business travel, and tourism. Its significance goes beyond mere speed. It embodies Indonesia's broader aspirations to modernize its infrastructure and integrate advanced technology into its transportation networks. Construction of the high-speed rail has involved extensive planning, investment, and international cooperation. The project is primarily funded through a joint venture between Indonesian state-owned enterprises and Chinese investors, leveraging Chinese expertise in high-speed rail technology. This partnership has enabled Indonesia to access advanced engineering, construction methodologies, and train systems that have already been successfully implemented in countries like China and Japan. Moreover, the project underscores Indonesia's growing role as a regional hub for high-tech infrastructure projects, demonstrating the country's commitment to adopting modern solutions that can sustain its growing population and economic activity. From a technical perspective, the Jakarta Bandung high-speed rail represents a leap in transportation technology for Indonesia. The trains are capable of reaching speeds up to 350 kilometers per hour, traveling on dedicated tracks that are meticulously engineered to ensure both safety and comfort. These trains utilize state-of-the-art materials, aerodynamic designs, and advanced signaling systems that allow for high-frequency operations without compromising safety. The railway line itself includes multiple tunnels, bridges, and elevated tracks to navigate Indonesia's challenging topography, particularly the mountainous regions surrounding Bandung. This ambitious engineering feat required careful environmental assessments to minimize ecological impact while ensuring long-term structural stability. The impact of the high-speed rail extends far beyond engineering and transportation efficiency. Economically, the project is expected to stimulate regional growth by facilitating trade, investment, and tourism between Jakarta and Bandung. The reduced travel time allows businesses to operate more efficiently, enabling easier access to markets, offices, and industrial zones. It also encourages the development of surrounding areas, as new stations and transit hubs create opportunities for commercial centers, residential developments, and service industries. Additionally, by diverting commuters from congested roadways, the railway reduces traffic and associated pollution, contributing to more sustainable urban development. Socially, the high-speed rail project is a transformative initiative. It creates thousands of jobs during construction and operational phases, ranging from engineering and construction to maintenance and service personnel. Furthermore, the enhanced connectivity between cities fosters cultural exchange, education, and social mobility. Students, professionals, and tourists benefit from easier access to urban centers, cultural landmarks, and educational institutions. The high-speed rail also plays a symbolic role, representing Indonesia's capacity to undertake world-class infrastructure projects, boosting national pride and demonstrating technological progress. Despite the many benefits, the project has faced challenges, both logistical and political. Land acquisition has been one of the most complex issues, requiring negotiations with local communities and adherence to legal frameworks to ensure fair compensation. Environmental concerns also necessitated rigorous assessments to preserve ecosystems and minimize negative impacts on surrounding communities. Moreover, coordinating an international partnership involving multiple stakeholders demanded precise management, transparent communication, and adherence to both Indonesian and international standards. These challenges highlight the complexities involved in large-scale infrastructure projects and the importance of careful planning and collaboration. Looking forward, the expansion of the Jakarta Bandung high-speed rail is expected to include further enhancements to increase capacity and connectivity. Plans involve the integration of feeder lines, improved station infrastructure, and enhanced digital services to provide passengers with a seamless travel experience. Advanced ticketing systems, real-time scheduling, and passenger information technologies are being implemented to make travel efficient and convenient. Furthermore, the railway's expansion is envisioned as part of a broader network that could eventually connect Jakarta to other major Indonesian cities, forming a backbone for high-speed travel across Java and potentially other islands, revolutionizing transportation in the country. The environmental implications of the high-speed rail project are also significant. By offering a fast and reliable alternative to road and air travel, the railway reduces carbon emissions and helps combat urban air pollution. High-speed trains are inherently more energy efficient per passenger kilometer than cars or airplanes, making them a more sustainable option for Indonesia's growing population. Moreover, stations are being designed with green infrastructure, including energy-efficient systems, water management solutions, and green spaces, further emphasizing the project's commitment to environmental responsibility. Culturally, the high-speed rail has the potential to reshape perceptions of travel in Indonesia. Historically, journeys between cities like Jakarta and Bandung have been lengthy, often requiring careful planning around traffic or limited train schedules. With the introduction of high-speed rail, commuting becomes more predictable, comfortable, and efficient. This change not only affects business operations but also transforms lifestyles, enabling more spontaneous travel, day trips, and regional exploration. The railway thus becomes a catalyst for new patterns of social and economic interaction, enhancing overall quality of life. In terms of technology transfer, the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed rail serves as a learning platform for Indonesia. Local engineers, technicians, and construction workers are gaining first-hand experience with high-speed rail systems, bridging the gap between domestic expertise and global best practices. This knowledge transfer is crucial for future infrastructure projects in Indonesia, empowering local industries and professionals to participate in high-tech developments. As a result, the project is not merely a transportation initiative but also an investment in human capital, technical skills, and national capacity for innovation. Ultimately, the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed rail expansion is more than just a high-speed train line. It symbolizes Indonesia's ambitions to modernize, connect, and develop sustainably. By reducing travel times, boosting economic opportunities, and fostering social integration, it serves as a model for future infrastructure projects in Southeast Asia. The project highlights the importance of international collaboration, technological advancement, and strategic planning in creating large-scale, transformative initiatives. As construction progresses and operations commence, the railway is set to become a defining feature of Indonesia's transport landscape, illustrating how vision, engineering, and determination can reshape a nation's mobility, economy, and society.